Welcome to the 3-minute tutorial on how to integrate Hubspot with Taboola. Step 1 is to install the Taboola Hubspot Chrome extension, which can be found on this link. Simply install the Chrome extension, which should appear on the right-hand side of your Chrome browser. Second step is to sign into your Taboola account. If you don't have one, click on this link. Make sure to fill out all of the necessary information to create the Taboola account. Now go to your Hubspot account and click on the blog section under Content in the toolbar. To add the option of directly launching the Taboola campaign, activate the Chrome extension. Now you will be asked to log into your Taboola account. Now, every time you go to your Hubspot blogs, you'll see the Taboola icon that will allow you to launch your campaigns. Launch your campaign by clicking on the icon, and make sure to add all your campaign details. After filling out all the required information, your campaign is now live.